Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to restore the English language into the Google Chrome. So I have the another language here. So whatever language you have, you just need to click on three dots from the side, right hand side on the top. Click on third option here. This is the setting option. Now once you click on the setting options here, okay, I'm not able to see the drag down here. Just click on here and thereafter you should able to see here the language option here. This is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8th option, then the ninth option, this option, the internet option is showing up there. Now as you can see here, this is the language setting we have. So in order to add another language here, we need to click on this option. Now search here English. Now English United States, just click on this option. Now once it is selected, you can see here this is a third number language. This is a United States language. Go to three dots and choose the first option, whatever it is saying up. Choose the first option and then relaunch it. So once you relaunch it, as you can see here, we have successfully installed our language to United States. Okay, so this is the fix to fix this issue guys. So I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.